Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? How's it going y'all? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a different video. This time is going to be revolving around the In Search of Tomorrow, the definitive 80s sci-fi documentary. Uh, excuse me y'all, sorry about that. So, what you're looking at here is the trailer, and then the other one is going to tell you about, okay, if you pre-order these, you're going to get the one with Blu-ray with slipcover, alternate artwork, reverse sleeves, and then there's the 3 posters of the documentary, and then you're gonna get a booklet inside each release, and then your name would be in the credits. Your name in the film credits. Order starts as of like very recently, very soon. It is going to be ordered by March 27th, but technically we got 29 days, so all orders must be fulfilled by April 16. In May, the items will be shipped to your addresses. So yeah. So if anybody's interesting, here is the standard Blu-ray with the, let's see, that comes with a slipcover and I believe the posters, but there's a digital copy of the film, which I'm not interested in getting, and I want to get the physical as well. Your name in the credits, that's going to be cool. Poster number 1, A2 portrait. Poster number 2, A2 portrait. Poster number 3, A2 landscape. And then you got the soundtrack digital by New Retro Wave, and then the In Search of Tomorrow sticker. Standard DVD, about $74. Same thing. The stickers, digital copy of the soundtrack with the slipcase, and then of course associate producer. Ooh, that's too pricey there. Whoa, zoiks. Well, there's alternative posters, so anybody's interested, you can copy and paste and put in your own site. So the posters were designed by the great Graham Humphreys. This is the 3rd one. So it says here, and something like that, I don't care. And this second poster was done by Dave Morrell. And this first one was done by Clayton Benji, if I said his name right. Correct me if I butcher that name. So yeah, limited offers, pre-orders, ends on March 27th. Oh yeah, you got till March 27th, y'all. So you better get it, y'all. Like right now. Better start and save up some money. Maybe in around the 1st or 2nd week of March, you can order your copy. But I can tell you, I can order mine right now. Because y'all, if you're a fan of sci-fi, you like E.T., you like Star Wars, you like Aliens, the Predator, RoboCop, Tron, Back to the Future, Flash Gordon, you got The Last Starfighter, you got The Road Warrior, Mad Max 2, The Terminator. Y'all, if you like sci-fi, here you go. You should get the pre-order, and links will be in the description box down below. So yeah, y'all, just letting you all know. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. See you all in the next vid very soon.